Ever struggled with keeping your truck bed contents safe from thieves or protected from harsh weather? Finding the right tonneau cover for your Toyota Tundra can be frustrating with so many options available. Keep watching to discover the top 5 best tonneau covers that provide security and weather protection for your Tundra. Check out the link in the description for more details on these covers and special discounts. Let's dive in. Starting at number 5, the Toptiny hard-folding truck bed tonneau cover, designed specifically for 2022 to 2025 Toyota Tundra 5 to 6-inch beds with OE rail systems. Right away, you'll notice the durable shine-finished aluminum panels, not just for looks but for real protection. These panels are scratch-resistant, UV-protected, and built to last, so your truck bed stays shielded from wear and tear. And when the weather gets rough, no worries. This cover does a solid job keeping your cargo safe from heavy rain, snow, and dust storms. The perimeter seals help prevent leaks, keeping everything underneath dry and secure. Let's talk security. The moment you close your tailgate, the cover locks automatically. No extra steps, no hassle. If you're leaving tools, gear, or anything valuable in your truck bed, this added layer of security is a huge plus. And installation? Surprisingly simple. No need to drill holes into your truck. Just use the included clamps, follow the instructions, and you'll have it set up in about 30 minutes. A snug fit for the 66.7-inch bed, ensuring everything stays in place. A few things to keep in mind. The shine finish looks sleek, but can show dirt and fingerprints easily, so regular cleaning will keep it looking fresh. Also, in extremely cold weather, some users have found the locking mechanism a little tricky, so that's something to be aware of. At number 4, we have the Dynasty soft trifold truck bed tonneau cover, designed for 2022-2024 Toyota Tundra 6.5 feet beds without deck rail systems. If you're looking for a lightweight yet functional cover, this one is worth considering. It features a soft vinyl top supported by an aluminum frame, making it durable enough to handle different weather conditions. Plus, with adjustable tension and rubber weather seals, it does a decent job keeping your truck bed dry, helping to protect your cargo from rain and dust. Convenience is a big win here. Need quick access to your truck bed? Just unfasten the quick-release buckles, fold the cover back, and you're good to go. It even includes a bungee cord hook to keep the cover secure when partially open, so you don't have to worry about it flapping around while driving. And here's something interesting. You might notice a smoother ride on the highway. This cover is designed to improve aerodynamics, which could help with fuel efficiency. Plus, the metal support bar adds stability, so the cover stays in place and doesn't sag in the middle over time. Installation? Super simple. It's a tool-free setup using the included clamps. However, for the best fit and long-term durability, the instructions recommend professional installation. Now, here are a few things to keep in mind. The build quality is decent, but not the most high-end option. Some customers have mentioned the vinyl material feels thinner than expected, making it better suited for casual use rather than heavy-duty conditions. Also, while the weatherproofing does the job, it's not the most heavy-duty seal out there, so keep that in mind if you frequently deal with extreme weather. Moving to number 3, we have the Flowkottu retractable hard tonneau cover, designed for 2014-2025 Toyota Tundra 5.5 to 5.6 FT truck beds with deck rail systems. Now, this one takes a different approach. Instead of folding, this cover smoothly retracts into a compact aluminum canister near the cab, making it a sleek and space-saving option. And here's where it gets even more impressive. The aluminum slat system is designed to resist both knife cuts and water intrusion. That means extra security for your cargo and no frustrating leaks, even during a car wash or heavy rain. Operation is effortless. Just unlock it, and the cover automatically slides toward the cabin along the side rail. It's a one-handed operation with no snaps, no Velcro, and no folding hassle. Perfect for when you're in a rush or have your hands full. And let's talk about durability. The dark matte powder coating isn't just for looks. It protects against scratches and corrosion, keeping your truck looking sharp. Plus, this cover sits nearly flush with your truck bed, giving it a sleek, seamless look. And get this, it can support up to 600 pounds of evenly distributed weight. Now, a few things to keep in mind. The retractable mechanism does take up some bed space due to the canister. Also, the locking system only fully engages when the cover is completely open. So if you leave it partially open, you'll need to manually secure it. And while installation is doable, some users have found the drainage tube setup trickier than expected. So take your time with that step. What do you think about this retractable tonneau cover? Is it something you'd consider for your truck? Let me know in the comments. Your thoughts and experiences help the community make the best choices. Coming in at number 2, we have the XTWEEX soft roll-up truck bed tonneau cover, designed for 2000 to 2006 Toyota Tundra fleet-side 6.5 FT beds. If you're looking for a flexible and easy-to-use cover, this one is worth checking out. Instead of folding or retracting, it rolls up smoothly, giving you quick and hassle-free access to your entire truck bed whenever you need it. Made from double-layer PVC, the durable vinyl material offers solid resistance to water, dust, and UV rays, helping to protect your cargo from the elements. And the side rails with seal strips, paired with stainless steel clamps, ensure a secure, snug fit that keeps everything in place. One of the best things about this cover? Versatility. Whenever you need full bed access, just unlock the end, roll it up completely, and secure it in place. No bulky panels in your way. The latching system and Velcro straps along the sides keep the cover secure while driving, even at highway speeds. Now, for a soft roll-up design, this one feels impressively sturdy. The mechanics are solid and dependable, and plenty of users have pointed out how well it stays in place, even when driving at high speeds. Plus, the low-profile design keeps your truck looking sleek and clean, while still giving you the protection you need. A few things to keep in mind. Over time, the Velcro can lose some of its grip, especially if you're frequently opening and closing the cover. Some users have noticed minor water seepage during heavy downpours, particularly around the tailgate area. And while installation is tool-free, getting it perfectly aligned on the first try can be a bit tricky, so take your time with the setup. And our #1 best tonneau cover for Toyota Tundra is the Xcover low-profile hard-folding truck bed tonneau cover for 2014-2021 Toyota Tundra 5.5 feet beds. This cover earns the top spot with its exceptional balance of security, durability, and user-friendliness. The low-profile design sits inside the truck bed, keeping your stake pockets fully available for use with the cover on. This gives you more versatility for additional accessories. The unique patented rail and latch design allows for one-finger release to open while automatically locking when closed. This combination of security and convenience is hard to beat. The hard panels are scratch-resistant and provide maximum theft protection compared to soft covers. What really sets it apart is its solid core hard panels that can support up to 500 pounds of evenly distributed weight. This makes it far more durable than most competitors. The weather resistance is excellent. Whether facing snow, rain, wind, or intense sun, your cargo stays protected from moisture and dirt. Installation requires no drilling and takes about 30 minutes for most people. The 5-year warranty against defects in materials and workmanship gives you peace of mind about your investment. Things to consider. Some users have reported occasional leaks, particularly after prolonged use. The quality of the included hardware could be better. A few customers have needed replacement parts earlier than expected. Always double-check that all clamps and bolts are tightened before driving to prevent issues. That wraps up our top 5 best tonneau covers for Toyota Tundra. Remember to think about your specific needs, whether that's security, weather protection, or ease of use, before making your choice. Hit the like button if this helped you decide, and subscribe for more vehicle accessory reviews.